My name is Ikena Wanko. I work with Landmark as a project manager. Ever since Landmark had taken over the resort, we have commenced renovation works in the resort. The renovation, we are going to phase it into two, phase A and phase B. Phase A is what we're doing now.
We were commissioned at Landmark Lake Resort, Enugu, to do interior design. And so far, we have accomplished, let's say, 50% of the project. Starting by, we have removed the things that we have here, the kind of television sets we have here. So the one that was existing is now part of our concept, so it has been removed. The bed area has been removed.
The first thing we had to do was break the toilet walls because we needed to expand it a bit. The former one was a bit too tight. You'll notice that we have like a dwarf wall. That's because we're still going to have a glass wall to finish up the full height. So right now we're finishing up our gypsum board ceiling. We've screeded, so very soon, like tomorrow, we'll be painting. My vision is to elevate the space to a more modern, but simple, classy, but modern.
This building was erected in the early 1980s, and it was a very massive project back then. So we being part of this great project is also a plus to our company and to everyone that is part of it.
What Landmark is doing at Nickel Lake Resort is actually very beautiful, to give everybody opportunity to show their excellence, to show their differences.
I was marveled because we don't have such here in Southeast. And this is a place that you can actually call a home to come and have a vacation.
We are going to experience the excellence Landmark is known for. We've done it in Lagos, and we want to replicate what the excellence that we achieved in Lagos in Landmark Nickel Lake Resort, and let it be the foremost destination in the Southeast, if not in the South and Southeast generally, and if not possible, Nigeria as a whole.